What's the meaning of Bethnal Green? Bethnal Green. Bethnal Green.
Bethnal Green. Bethnal Green. Bethnal Green is a district in the East End of London, England. The name Bethnal is believed to have originated from the Anglo-Saxon words Bethan and Hal, meaning house and nook respectively, indicating that the area was once a rural settlement with scattered dwellings. Over time, the area developed into a bustling urban center during the Industrial Revolution and became a hub for silk weaving, furniture making, and other trades. Despite significant changes over the years, such as post-World War II rebuilding and the influence of immigration, Bethnal Green has retained its character and continues to be an important part of London's cultural and social fabric.